This is Motorola Moto G23, and today I would like to show how you can enable the Dolby Atmos feature on this device. So you can either enter the dedicated Dolby Atmos app, or you can also access it through going into sound and vibration category of settings. In here you'll find the Dolby Sound apps field, which you want to tap on. Go into Dolby Atmos section, grant all the necessary permissions, and at this point the Dolby Atmos is actually enabled. The only thing that you can change is the preferences preset that is being currently used. You have quite a few default presets that are suitable for each individual thing. So there is one for music, movie, game, and podcast, and two other ones, so custom, that you can change the preferences for yourself manually, set it up to your liking perhaps, and the smart audio, which will automatically switch between all those mods in accordance with whatever scenario you are currently in. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.